So the Hunt series, we didn't do a whole lot last year. This year we came out swinging, and of course we swung hard with the 5200 altitude. Available in two different variants. We have the Cerakote orange and then a DLC black. Now to show you the sheaths respectively, I'm going to start with the orange knife, which actually comes with a First Light Fusion Camo pattern sheath in Kydex. Slides right in, pressure fit. So the whole concept of this tool was for the backcountry hunter looking to reduce weight and have a great utility tool that's going to stay sharp and do all the field processing that they need. So very scalpel-esque like design in this skeletonized framed knife. We had carbon fiber bolsters on this for extra grip, especially when you're cutting. But we used S90V in this blade instead of S30V, which we typically use in our Hunt series. So S90, to give you ideas, a tool grade steel, add some chrome in there, makes it a stainless steel, and great corrosion resistance, but superb edge retention qualities. In addition to that, the Fusion Camo sheath and the orange version, part of the proceeds from sales on this will actually go help backcountry hunters and anglers, which is a great organization. If you don't know about them, they help protect access to public lands. So definitely check them out.